Oh shoot, welcome back guys to another episode of Cable Guy Chronicles. We out here today, folks. We out here today. Got a HSD only connect. Let you guys see what the house right behind me there. But we about to get it in, folks. Stay tuned. You know how we do it. Pedestal box is right behind me there. So we gonna go check and see if they got a connection inside the box. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Stay tuned. More footage to come. Cable Guy Chronicles is about to check and see if they got an active drop coming to the house. Looks like they do. Pedestal box is over there. House box is right here. Looks like some real old connectors. So we're gonna open up the box, see what they got. Guys, we're gonna check some signal. Got my meter right there, my D-SAM. So we're gonna plug that in, check some levels, see what we got. Stay tuned, guys. 1 second here. All right, guys, there go my D-SAM meter. And yes, I do use my meter to check signal, you know, at the tap, at the ground block, and at the CPE, the equipment. So we pretty much got my meter. Checking some signal right now, seeing what we got. Let's see. We got our meter, baby. See it right there? Shout out to the cable gang, baby. All right, inside the pedestal box, we're gonna connect it back. We're gonna come back, we're gonna check some more signal here. We're gonna check it there, see what we got. Then we're gonna go inside. We're gonna hook this modem up. We're gonna activate it, and we're gonna get up out of here, baby. Stay tuned. More footage to come, baby. We out here. Pedestal box is over there. All right, guys, we headed over here to the pedestal box. See if we got some signal inside of the box. Inside of the box. Box is right there. connector on there. Take that terminator off with my terminator tool. Take that. Got our meter hooked up. Check some signal on the meter real quick. Damn, it's getting a little cold out here, but Jesus. See what we got at the tap. Alright, I'm gonna run a Doxys test real quick. Good signal. Take that off. Plug our drop back in. Alright guys, we're gonna go back to the truck. We gotta grab a little green active tag and put it on here real quick. Stay tuned. Alright guys, got the green tag. Green tag. We're gonna get a ground block. Gotta put that on. Grab our tag, put our tag on. Alright, green active tag. Put our tag on it. Go, baby. Alright, we'll come back and close that in a second. Headed back over here to the house. Alright, now we're gonna check and make sure the drop is still good. Check some signal at the house. Guys, we're just checking some levels. Oh man, alright. We got good levels. Signal's good on the meter. Alright guys. Now we about to go on the inside. We about to hook them up in the inside. Then we're gonna come back. And that's gonna be it, guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we pull them up. Box is good. I'm gonna go around this way. Check a few things on this side. See what they got. Nothing coming this way. Alright guys, let's go close this pedestal box up. Oh. Check this out guys. Summertime. Man, nice little size beehive. Would have been a nice surprise. I would have opened that box up in the summer. Like, oh sheesh. Bees would have got the swarming out of there. All on me, bruh. Check it out, check it out. Nice size beehive there. So normally if it's like a hole inside the box, I normally with silicone, stick some silicone on the box just to seal those little holes up right there, just so those bees don't get inside the box, you know. All right, guys, now we're gonna go on the inside. We're gonna hook them up. Then we're gonna be done. Stay tuned for the next one. We out. All right, guys. We all set, baby. Another job. We was in and out of there pretty quick. All right, so now we just headed back to the truck. Open up the truck. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in to the channel. Another episode from the Cable Guy Chronicles. I gotta clean my truck out too, guys. It's a little messy right now, but I'm gonna get to it. All right, stay tuned. See you guys on the next one. Peace.